Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn class 7th NCERT Geography chapter 8 Human Environment Interactions the Tropical and Subtropical Region. This is the chapter of Geography, that is Environment chapter 8. These are the people living all around the world, different kinds of people. This is because the world is cosmopolitan society. We can find different posture, different color, different height, different, you can say, the attitude people all around the world, people from various parts of the world. This is entire all 7 continents. The 7 continents, one continent low population. They have this is Amazon, river Amazon is the largest river in the world. River Nile is the longest, Amazon is the largest in terms of water, in depth of water. This is the Amazon is originating in the western side of, you can say, the Latin America and then passing towards the eastern side and joining in the Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean. These are all the tributaries of, you can say, the Amazon. And this is the yellowish area, that is Amazon basin. Nothing but area drained by a river and its tributaries. So this is the basin of Amazon, which is the largest river in the world. And this is the meander shape of Amazon. Just to see in the through the rainforest of Amazon, life in the Amazon basin. The river Amazon flows through the tropical region, which lies very close to the equator between 10 degree north and 10 degree south. This is what we have to see. This is the location of, you can say that this is 0 degree equator, 10 degree north and 10 degree south. That's what we have to see. So it is referred to as the equatorial region. So the 0 degree is the equator, and at 0 degree to 10 degree north and 10 degree south of the globe, all the countries which are lying in under that are called equatorial region. There, what is the you can say the specialty of the equatorial region, that is throughout the year rainfall will be there anytime. All of a sudden rainfall will occur and temperature is heavy throughout the year. It flows from the mountains to the west. These are the mountain areas. There is the Andes mountains, coming from the Andes mountain in the west and reaches in the Atlantic Ocean to the east. This is the Atlantic Ocean. It reaches in the east. The place where a river flows into another body of water is called the river mouth. This is the river mouth. Numerous tributaries join the Amazon river to form the Amazon basin. So this is what we have, Amazon basin, which is the area drained by the river. The river basin drains portion of Brazil, parts of Peru, Bolivia, Ecuador, Colombia, and a small part of Venezuela. These are the countries which are covered by the basin of the Amazon. These are all, you can say, the important countries what we have in the Latin America. Here also we can find out the important countries of, you can see, the South America. Climate in Amazon basin. You can see what are the climate. We can generally classify the South American climate into, you can say, the of 8 categories: tropical wet and dry, semi-arid, desert, subtropical dry, humid, subtropical humid, oceanic, and highland. These are the different types, but generally we can find here equatorial climate. The Amazon basin stretches directly on the equator and it's characterized hot and wet climate throughout the year. So throughout the year you have hot and wet because the temperature is heavy and also there is a heavy rain, everyday rain. Both the day and nights are almost equally hot and humid. The skin feels sticky here. It rains almost every day, that too without much warning. Without warning, the rain will occur. The day temperatures are high with very high humidity. Humidity means the amount of water vapor presence in the air. At night, the temperature goes down, but the humidity remains high. So, night time, what happens? Humidity remains high, but temperature will be reduced. Oh, rainforest of Amazon. Rainforest of Amazon. These are the rainforest of Amazon because throughout the year heavy rainfall and heavy temperature will be there. That is the specialty of the rainforest. Heavy rains. Here hence thick forests are found here. The density of forest is very high. Only shade tolerant vegetation may grow here. These are the shade tolerant vegetation that will grow in the Amazon rainforest. Orchards, bromeliads grow as plant parasites in this place, rich in fauna. Birds such as toucans and hummingbirds are common in the Amazon forest. This is, you can say, toucan. This is, you can say, the hummingbird. These are common in this place, and these birds make loud sounds. These two birds make loud sounds, and monkeys, sloth, tapirs, snakes, crocodiles, anaconda are found in this forest. This is, you can say, the we have crocodile. This is and we have anaconda, and these are all sloth and tapir. These are all some of the important animals found in this place. Name the reptiles found here. What is this? First one. First one is, you can say, the crocodile. Second one is anaconda. These are the two important reptiles found here, and these name the animals found here. The first one is a tapir, ant-eating animal. Second one is a sloth. It is looking like a monkey only. These are the two animals that you can find here. And then name the birds here. First one is toucans. Second one is hummingbird. Toucans and hummingbirds are the two important birds that are found in this rainforest of Amazon. People of the rainforest. How the people are looking like bird. They are tribal people mostly, and their dress costume is separate, completely different, and they wear animal skin, and then in their body people grow most of their food in small areas after clearing some trees in the forest. They'll clear the trees in the forest, and then only they will do the cultivation by adopting the slash and burned agriculture. While men hunt and fish along the river, women take care of the crops. That is the specialty. They mainly grow tepoica, pineapple, and sweet potato. These are all the tepoica, and then you can say the sweet potato and pineapple. They practice slash and burn agriculture. This is slash and burn agriculture. They cut the forest and develop the patch of land and do cultivation for 2 to 3 years, and to regain the fertility, they will change it. The staple food is of Amazon forest is manioc, is also known as cassava that grows under the ground like the potato. They also eat queen ants and egg sacs. Cash crops like coffee, maize, and cocoa are also grown here. These are all, you can say, egg sacs, and these are all what we can find, the coffee seeds, coffee beans, and these are all what we can see, the tepoica, and this is maize, and this is and we have you can say these are all, you can say, the sweet potato and this manioc. These are all the some housing in Amazon basin. The rainforest provide a lot of food for the houses because of the thick forest here. Some families live in thatched house shaped like beehives. There are other large apartments like houses called Maloka with a steeply slanting roof. These are beehives and Maloka, and this is a still made house. These are the different types of houses they used to live here, the people of Amazon. Changed life in Amazon basin. Life is not the same as it is been changing. Life of the people of the Amazon basin is slowly changing, and in the older days the heart of the forest could be reached only by navigating the river. In 1970, the Trans-Amazon Highway made all parts of the rainforest accessible. Aircrafts and helicopters are also used for reaching various places in rainforest nowadays. These are all what we have, the boating, Amazon forest. This is the Amazon highway that has developed recently, and due to which what happened, people accessibility is very easy, and Aeroplanes and helicopters are also made available in this area. The indigenous population was pushed out from the area and forced to settle in new areas where they continue to practice their distinctive way of farming, that is slash and burn agriculture. The developmental activities are leading to gradual destruction of the biologically diverse rainforest. It is estimated that a large area of the rainforest has been disappearing annually. Uh, this is the gradual destruction of the Amazon forest. You can see here. And here you can see the thick density here slowly coming down to this place, and 50% reduced, here 125% reduced, 25% reduced, gradual destruction of forest in Amazon basin. That is the life in the Ganga and Brahmaputra basin. This is Ganga, and this is Ganga river, this is Gohati, Brahmaputra river, and both together we are having, you can say, the Ganga Brahmaputra basin. The tributaries of river Ganga and Brahmaputra together form the Ganga Brahmaputra basin in the Indian subcontinent. This is Indian subcontinent. You can find it here. This is coming here, and it is known as the Sangpo in China, and then Brahmaputra, and it is known as Brahmaputra in India, and then Padma and Meghana. Different names are there for that. The basin lies in the subtropical region that is situated between 10° north and 30° north latitude. This basin is situated between 10° north and 30° north latitudes. The tributaries of the river Ganga, like the Ghagra, the Son, the Chambal, the Gandak, the Kosi, and the tributaries of Brahmaputra like Lohit, the Nistari, Tista, and Subanistri drain it. The plains of the Ganga and the Brahmaputra, the mountains and the foothills of the Himalaya, and the Sundarbans Delta are the main features of this basin. Note here. Now this is, you can say, the basin covers here Ganga river, this is the Brahmaputra river, and the basin covers this area only, mostly which are the states covering this here, Haryana, then Himachal Pradesh, and then UP, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, and Bihar, and Bengal, and then you can say West Bengal, Assam, and Arunachal Pradesh. These are the areas. Look at the map of India, find out the states in which the Ganga Brahmaputra basin lies. You find out the states later on by seeing the atlas. Topography and population of Ganga Brahmaputra basin. The Ganga Brahmaputra basin area has varied topography, not one kind of a topography, but it has plains, plateaus, and mountains. And all three kinds of topography we can find it here. See here the topography of, you can say, Ganga Brahmaputra basin. The environment plays a dominant role in the distribution of the population. The mountain areas with steep slopes have inhospitable terrain, therefore less number of people are found here. And that's why in the mountain areas less number of people are there, and whereas in the plain area the more number of people are living. The plain area means UP, Bihar, and then you can say the Madhya Pradesh and Punjab, Haryana. These are the places where we can find good number of people. The soil is very fertile here in this basin, and agriculture is the main occupations of the people, where flat land is available to grow crops here. So agriculture is the main occupation, paddy is the main crop here, and then also the wheat is grown to some extent. The density of population of the plains is very, very high. The main crop is paddy. Paddy just here. See how the paddy transplantation is taking place. Other crops in the Ganga Brahmaputra basin. Wheat, maize, sorghum, gram, and millets are the other crops that are grown in Ganga Brahmaputra basin. This is wheat, this is sorghum, and this is, you can say, the maize and sorghum, and then we have here the gram. Cash crops like sugarcane and jute are also grown here. This is sugarcane, this is jute. Banana plantations are seen in some areas of the plain also. Banana plantation also we can find out here in this Ganga Brahmaputra basin. In West Bengal and Assam, tea grown in plantation. This is the tea grown in plantation in terraced farming. And silk is produced through the cultivation of silkworms in parts of Bihar and Assam and West Bengal. This is, you can say, mulberry leaves, and how the silkworms are there, how they are fed and how they make the silk in the mountains and high hill areas where the slope are gentle. Crops are grown on terrace farming. This is looking like terrace farming. Just see here. Vegetation in Ganga Brahmaputra basin. Vegetation in Ganga Brahmaputra basin varies according to the type of landforms, because if it is plain, different kinds of vegetation, plateau, different kinds, of mountain, different kinds. In Ganga and Brahmaputra basin, tropical deciduous trees grow along with teak, sal and people. This is what we have to see. Thick bamboo groves are common here in the Brahmaputra plain, and the delta area is covered with mangrove forest. This is mangrove forest that are found. Sundari is a famous tree found here. In parts of Uttarakhand, Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh, coniferous trees like pine, deodar and fir can be seen because the climate is cool and the slopes are steep here. These are all just to see here, teak and salwood, and we have the neem, then shisham, pine, cedar, devadar, or cedar, devadar, whatever you can call it, or silver fir. This is fir or silver fir. Same. And wildlife in Ganga, Brahmaputra basin. What are the important animals found here? Though there is a variety of wildlife in the GB basin, but elephants, tigers, deer, monkeys are common animals found here. These are elephants and tiger. This is, you can say, deer and monkeys are common. The one-horned rhinoceros is found in the Brahmaputra plain. It's one-horned. There's only one horn is there. That's why. In the delta area, Bengali tigers, crocodiles and alligators are found. These are crocodile, alligators, and then aquatic life bounds in the fresh river water, the lakes and the Bay of Bengal Sea. The most popular varieties of fish are rohu, katla and hilsa. This is rohu, this is katla, and these are the hilsa. These are the fish. Fish and rice is the staple diet of the people living in this area. The towns, transport and tourism. The Ganga Brahmaputra plain has several big towns and cities. The cities of Allahabad, Kanpur, Varanasi, Lucknow, Patna and Calcutta, all with the population of more than 10 lakhs are located along the river Ganga. All the four ways of transport are well developed here in the Ganga Brahmaputra basin. In the plain area, the roadways and railway transport the people from one place to another. The waterways is an effective means of transportation, particularly along the river valleys. It is the cheapest means of transportation also. Kolkata is important port on the river Hooghly. The plain area also has a large number of airports. This GB basin is connected to Golden Quadrilateral also. Tourism is another important activity of this basin. Taj Mahal on the banks of river Yamuna in Agra, Allahabad, and on the confluence of the river Ganga and Yamuna, Buddhist stupas in UP and Bihar, Lucknow with its Imambara, Assam with Kaziranga and Manas national parks with wildlife sanctuaries, and AP, Arunachal Pradesh with a distinct tribal culture are some of the places to be seen under the tourism here. The Ganga river system you can find at Devaprayaga, Haridwar, Rishikesh, Kanpur, Allahabad, Varanasi, Patna and Calcutta. These are the important towns and cities located on the bank of the river Ganga. These are the four means of different kinds of transportation: waterways, airways and roadways and railways. This is Golden Quadrilateral connecting four important cities: Delhi to Bombay, Bombay to Madras, Chennai, that is Calcutta, Calcutta to Delhi. This is the latest addition to the road map of India. These are all, this now they have made it as 8-lane roads in Ahmedabad and Maharashtra, Gujarat, and in South India it is still 6-lane roads. These are all, what is this? This is the important, you can see the monument built by the Shah Jahan on the bank of river Yamuna. What is this? That is Taj Mahal. These are all the stupas built in UP and Bihar, and this is, you can say, the Kaziranga National Park located in Assam, and this is Manas National Park located in Assam again. This is, you can say, Imambara located in Lucknow. These are all the important monument that. Thank you very much.